What's up, guys? If you're like me, you were not at CES, but you were paying attention to it, reading all the articles, going on YouTube and watching all the clips. One of the items that I found at CES was WooHoo. It's one of the hubs that's out there. There are probably like 10 different hubs or more. There's probably more than 10 hubs. There was a ton of hubs at CES this year, and there were a ton of them that try to differentiate themselves from like your Google Home and your Amazon Alexa by making them more personal to the user. And by that I mean they try to make them all cute and be able to follow you around, or try to make them all cute by having all these blinking lights or beeping noises like R2D2, or try to give them faces that would kind of give expressions to the person that's trying to control the hub. All that's really cool, and some of those I actually found really interesting. But this was another one that I found, and one of the things that made me want to go to this one was it was also on Kickstarter, and so if you want to, you can actually pre-order it at a discount right now and be one of the first ones to utilize the hub. And this hub again is called WooHoo. Now this one is a little bit more similar to your Google Home or your Amazon Alexa, but they do have a lot of differentiating factors. This one has a camera, and it also has a touchscreen. So trying to let you interact with this device in a bunch of different ways, as opposed to your Amazon Alexa and your Google Home, which can only be interacted with through voice. The cool thing about this is the use of some of the artificial intelligence that they are building into this thing. First one is that when you walk into view of that camera, which is 360-degree rotating, it can see your face and know who you are, and it looks like you can build automations in based on who's walking into the room. Also, it has artificial intelligence as far as the speaking portion too. So when it comes to like the Google Home or the Amazon Alexa, when I talk to it, I need to talk to it in a very specific way for it to interact with me and do the thing I want it to do. With this device, it's supposed to have more artificial intelligence based learning, so that when you speak to it, it knows what you want without speaking very specific commands. So you speak naturally to this device and it knows what to do. We'll see how that works, but I think that's really cool. There was actually another event at CES where they were talking about the smart home and what was necessary for it. And one of those things was being able to speak to your devices more naturally, as opposed to speaking in like this computer code command type of way. There is a monthly fee for this device, and that fee, it sounds like, is $9 right now. If you buy it on Kickstarter here, that fee is kind of baked into the price. If I scroll down, you can kind of see here that they have the starter pack. It's $103 for the device and a 6-month subscription to the device. And so basically they're saying that it's typically $89 with the $9 a month fee. For $103, you get 6 months of it and the device. So it's a significant savings if you do this WooHoo starter pack. Now, one of the other things that interests me about this device is that fee, though. Maybe it's a little bit different than Google Home or Amazon Alexa, where those are essentially, big advertising devices, in that they're trying to get all your data, and they're offering you this service with this device that's relatively cheap, because they know that they have your data and they can use that data to give you ads, and those ads can be better placed so they can get more money for each one of those ads. Maybe with this subscription-based service, the WooHoo is in your corner, and so everything it's doing is trying to serve you on a level that's beyond just ads. I don't even know what that means when I'm saying it, but maybe there's something there where everything they're creating is for you as the user, instead of maybe for them as the advertisers. Tell me what you think. Should we back it? Should we not? Are the hubs that are out there the ones we should stick with, or is there room in the marketplace for other hubs? Let me hear your thoughts below. Have a good one.